of Raven. It feels so strange coming up this lift hill and seeing that beast right next to it. Look at Drac on there. Would have been perfect if we'd have had the train coming round, but still plenty more opportunities for rides on it. Yeah, that queue moved really fast. Look at this. Oh, the show's running again there as well. Here we go. Whee! Woo-hoo-hoo! I've always enjoyed this ride, and now we've got some extra great views to look at. Makes it really special. Hooray! And yeah, they've added some new props and theming around, and of course fully landscaped under the ride as well. Yeah, these are some of the new props. Hooray! Whoa, bit of helix, hey! 20 years old, but it's still beautifully smooth, this ride. Whoa! I'm glad they kept the shed as well. Here we go, into the shed. Yeah! Oh, there was a surprise at the top there. Bit of theming. You gotta look fast though. Hey. And there we go. I tell you what, a great family coaster. And it's so nice now that it's beautifully themed and you got them interactions with Drac on as well. And yeah, the station like completely transformed from a metal shed to all this wooden cladding and detail. Fantastic. It's a good long ride as well. That's Raven.